Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today we'll be unboxing this Pokemon Sword and Shield pack, and yes, my dog got into it. So let's unbox it. I'm not planning on keeping the packaging, but I think we should be fine about this. There we go. This card. Let's cut it open. These scissors. Be careful not to get the top of the card. I'm not even getting the card. A bit more deep, a bit deeper. There we go. Let's clean this out. Oh. Let's have a look. That's the code. What is it, like 4 in front or something? I haven't clicked these for quite a while. So let's put the one here to be the rare one. Oh yes, the energy. Hollow and okay. So yeah, that's all I have for today, guys. Make sure you comment, like, and subscribe. And enjoy the video. Bye.